Somebody asked, not somebody, Lawrence Noyes asked in the interview, you know, what's going to happen to Cheng Hsin when you die? I said, he'll probably die out. Might survive, you know, might go on, you know. I said, if it goes on, it'll probably degrade into a belief system. I said, well, how are you going to prevent that? I said, I'm not. I can't prevent that. I'm going to be dead. Not my problem anymore. You know? That's it.
But you've read Foundation.
Yeah.
Maybe you could think ahead and like change the concept every 5 years or something.
You mean in the
novel?
Yeah, I know, but so I could have some books tucked away.
So, yeah.
The plan.
You know, every 100 years, release this book. Yeah, I don't know. You know, then I said that, and they might say, yeah, oh, I do Cheng Hsin and it looks like this. You see? And nobody will understand what I meant. If they get the, you know, oh, Cheng Hsin looks like this, you know, then they're missing it, really. But that's what people will do. It's like you say, like, for example, right? An exact example, not even an analogy. You do Tai Chi, say, see? And it looks like something, doesn't it? See? You do Tai Chi and it looks like this. You do what you do in Tai Chi. The Cheng Hsin Tai Chi is, of course, better than any other Tai Chi, but I'm biased, you know. But still, you see, you're practicing bodybuilding. You're using a form in which to do it. The memory, so you can practice. There's a training regimen, right? See, but you say, I practice Tai Chi, it looks like this, right? Do you know what the founders would say of that? They'd turn over in their grave.
Yeah, rolling,
Yeah, you understand? Because the founders of Tai Chi, whoever that was, there was no set. For a couple centuries at least, there was no set, so it didn't look like anything. You understand? Or if it looked like something, I don't know what it looked like. You know what I'm saying? See? There was no set. The sets were created by the Chins. See? Before that, there was no set. See, so it couldn't look like something. It was a way of relating, perhaps, you see? A way of living, maybe? You know, certainly a way of martial.
Thanks for watching. Taste Ralston's wisdom for yourself. Ralston didn't obtain his wisdom by watching videos. Join him in doing this work. Please check the links in the description.